Hello dear viewer and fellow subscribers. Welcome to my channel. In a world that often glorifies hard work and relentless pursuit, the idea of becoming rich without doing anything might seem like a fantasy. However, there are certain strategies that can potentially lead to wealth accumulation without the need for active involvement. Today, we'll explore some of these unconventional approaches, emphasizing that while they may not involve direct labor, they often require careful planning, strategic thinking, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Before starting the video, do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet and hit that bell icon to receive every video notification. Passive income streams. Passive income streams refer to revenue generated without active participation or ongoing effort. Investing in rental properties, stocks, bonds, or intellectual property can create a steady stream of income over time. While these investments often require upfront capital, they can provide financial stability and growth without the need for constant involvement. Inheritance. Inheriting wealth from family members or other benefactors can undoubtedly lead to financial security and affluence. However, it's important to acknowledge that inheritance is not something that can be controlled or manipulated. It's a matter of circumstance and serendipity, not a guaranteed path to riches. Fortuitous windfalls. Fortuitous windfalls, such as winning the lottery or receiving a large settlement, can propel individuals into the realm of wealth overnight. While these events are unpredictable and unlikely, they represent the possibility of sudden financial gain without significant effort. Strategic marriages. Strategic marriages, often based on financial considerations, have historically been a means of acquiring wealth. While this approach may not align with modern values and emotional fulfillment, it remains a strategy that some individuals pursue. Entrepreneurial ventures with low maintenance. Creating a business that generates revenue with minimal ongoing effort is a potential path to wealth. Investing in automated systems, outsourcing tasks, and developing scalable products or services can create a business model that requires less hands-on involvement, allowing for passive income generation. Capitalizing on existing talents or skills. Possessing unique talents or valuable skills can be leveraged to generate wealth without traditional employment. Monetizing talents through writing, music, art, or other creative endeavors can lead to financial success, particularly in today's digital age. Strategic networking and partnerships. Cultivating relationships with influential individuals and forming strategic partnerships can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Leveraging one's social capital to secure investments, partnerships, or exclusive deals can significantly accelerate wealth accumulation. While becoming rich without doing anything might seem like an elusive dream, there are strategies that can potentially lead to wealth accumulation without the need for constant effort. However, it's crucial to remember that these approaches often require careful planning, strategic thinking, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Additionally, luck, timing, and the right opportunities play significant roles in achieving financial success. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of unconventional paths to wealth. Hope you find the video helpful. Before going, like, comment, and share the video, and do subscribe the channel. Until the next time, goodbye.